Candy spinning in the midnight room. Sha-la-la, sweetness hiding something doomed. Cherry lights on lacquer trays, tiny moons in a paper maze. Everybody dressed too clean, smiling like a magazine. Static hanging in the air, secret jokes and perfect hair. Color dripping from the stick, everything feels counterfeit. But your eyes say run away, even while the violins play. Sweet as honey, sharp as glass, nothing golden ever lasts. Sugar revolver spinning in my hand tonight. Bubblegum thunder dancing underneath the light. Everybody's laughing slow, like they know what I don't know. Sugar revolver, shoot me with your neon love. Velvet voices, silver ties, candied smoke and tired eyes. Tiny orchestra inside, playing songs we learned to hide. Yellow, lemon, emerald green, sweetest things I've ever seen. But the flavor disappears, leaving static in my ears. And the room begins to sway, like a film that melts away. Every color starts to run, morning kills the candy sun. Sugar revolver spinning in my hand tonight. Bubblegum thunder dancing underneath the light. Everybody's laughing slow, like they know what I don't know. Sugar revolver, shoot me with your neon love. Sha-la-la-la, nothing stays forever. Sha-la-la-la, we could melt together. One more taste before the dawn. One more song before it's your neon love. Sha-la-la, candy melting in the silver rain. Sha-la-la, we'll never taste the same.